Alright, it's December 15th. Matt Walsh is here. It's the attack of the birds today on Forest Ave. Look at all this.
Come over here, yo.
There must be...
Come over here.
There's thousands.
Look at all of them in that fucking tree right there. Can the camera hear this shit?
I can hear it. They're all looking like leaves.
Look at this shit.
But there's just...
Look at that.
Millions and millions of birds.
What the fuck?
Oh, it's crazy.
End of the world, bro. Whoa.
I hope I can hear the whole thing too.
Look, there's like, look at the big ones, bigger birds up there waiting to pick these fuckers off, you know? You see all the hawks and shit up there? Up high?
Holy shit. All those dots you see that look like leaves, actually birds. That's crazy.
Oh, they're so loud. Maybe they want that Chinese food that's in the street right there and they can't get the lid open.
That's